Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change your BMW 1 Series screen. First, gather your essential tools, including plastic trim removal tools and a Torx T20 screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before starting any work. It's also a good idea to place a soft cloth over your dashboard to protect it from any accidental scratches during the process. Next, we'll focus on removing the trim and fasteners. Using your plastic trim removal tool, carefully pry around the edges of the screen's surrounding trim piece. Once the trim is off, you'll see two Torx T20 screws holding the screen in place. Unscrew these, then gently pull the screen unit forward just enough to reach the electrical connections at the back. Now, it's time to disconnect and replace the screen. Carefully unclip the main power cable and any other data cables connected to the back of the old screen. Once all cables are free, you can lift out the old screen unit. Take your new screen and securely connect all the corresponding cables, making sure each connection clicks firmly into place for reliable operation. For our final steps, we'll reassemble and test. Carefully slide the new screen back into its mounting slot and reinsert the two Torx T20 screws to secure it. Then, snap the trim piece back into place around the screen, ensuring all clips are fully engaged. Finally, turn on your BMW to test the new screen, checking its display and all functions to confirm a successful installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.